guys, it is Maze from Sciencey Reacty here again, and my dog is attacking my face, but we finished our survival house, and we got it all organized.
I died a lot.
Fluffy. And we also went mining. We found all this, and Lily, there's enough for you in there. Then, why did he just hit me?
Because I'm on my iron.
Jeez.
Don't judge me.
Okay. And we are planning just having our organization day where I'm going to get my own furnace, my own chest, my own crafting table, so I don't have to live with you anymore. Jesus.
I'm good. But I hate you all the time because you're always in my way.
Yeah, you're the problem. Fluffy. Then I have 7 bookshelves.
Fluffy's butthole's in my face.
Yep, good for her. Ah, she's attacking my face. Ah, my nose, my nose, my nose. Don't eat my nose. Don't eat my nose. My dog likes trying to eat my nose. And we
There's
thought
so much dirt in this chest.
we thought this was very, very black. My nose. We thought this was very, very black.
Hey, I got 13 pieces of wheat.
Fluffy, can you stop licking my nose? Okay.
I got 13 pieces of wheat.
We need one more bookshelf. Oh my gosh.
Hey, we can start a farm.
Yeah, you could go do that. Have fun. Oh, that's a dropper. Why didn't I have a dropper?
Do you have stone you can give me?
Nope.
What? I don't like making the helmets. I just like to have my own face shown. Do you have any stone?
I have stone.
Can I have some?
Okay, here you go.
I'm gonna go mining again, by the way.
Okay, good for you.
But not this episode. This episode I'm just gonna be like
Chilling.
organizing. We have no wood either.
Go get some wood then.
Okay. I'm so strong. Oh, my hunger's really low.
Okay, I want to go let the dog out. Who let the dogs out?
Ooh, let the dogs out. Carly.
Woof, 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 woof. Okay.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah. Lily is still a noob.
No, I gotten better, but I died like 2 times in lava when we were going mining.
Yep.
Because I just walked straight into the lava.
Yep.
I thought I was crouching, then I jumped.
Yeah, then she jumped into lava and died.
The good old days. But now I have iron armor.
I can make like 10 note blocks.
Can you make a clock? No, make a golden apple.
I need the apple though.
But we'll have to make 2 for both of us.
Oh, you need golden blocks.
To make it that's to make an enchanted golden apple, a normal apple.
Oh, I'm like, what?
No. An enchanted golden. Okay, I know more Minecraft than you probably do too, though.
I thought the same thing. It's just like there's only one apple. That's so weird.
That's an enchanted golden. They call those notch apples.
What?
You know who Notch is, right?
Oh, notch apples.
Yeah.
I thought you said lunch
Did you know
apples.
that
I'm like,
Notch's birthday, I think, is June 1st, and my birthday is June 3rd?
what? Nice.
I'm so
Ooh, there is. I can make 1 golden apple. Then I think there's enough for. Nope, it's not enough for you.
Well, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm actually gonna. My axe broke. I don't know if I ever get a golden apple. I actually won't waste it. I'm just gonna actually.
People
like,
just
save
waste their golden apples, which is stupid. What should we use the redstone for?
Huh?
We can make golden nuggets. Why do we need golden nuggets? You know what? I want to make a sword.
A gold sword?
Yeah.
Actually, it actually has really bad durability. You would rather make an iron sword, but we don't have any more iron. Like, it has
You know
really
what?
bad
I want to make an
durability.
axe. I'm going to make a golden axe. Because I want to.
Hey, walk into my room and show everyone what it looks like so far.
Okay, Lily has finished her room. And it looks amazing. You need to get that glass there. But we made this secret pathway. It's not so secret since we're telling you.
Yeah.
And it's to our
One
rooms.
piece of sand.
So, this is my beautiful room with that cow.
I like my view better.
Nope, I like my view. There's a chicken in my view. Then there's like a whole entire water lake. The water's so pretty with all the flowers.
Hey, you guys, I'm sorry if I sound really bad.
We're very congested.
Yeah.
We've been hanging around each other too much.
Oh no.
I love this.
Oh wow, one coal. Oh wow, just one.
You
coal.
are not allowed to be in my room, just so you know.
I'm not in your room.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to be in my room.
And I'm also taking the furnace and the chest out of this beginning area.
No. You have to make your own.
Okay.
That's staying there. Go get your glass.
Did you break the glass?
No, I actually didn't.
There. The problem is I could just break the glass like really easily. Okay, so I'm gonna like make a crafting table. 1, 2. I'm gonna decorate my room and make it look pretty. Mine's already pretty.
Ooh, I really want to summon an ender dragon.
No. If it ruins and kills me, I will kill you.
Minecraft wise, or
Actually.
if we get 10 views, we're doing a role play. I don't know how. I love the trees. They're moving. So peaceful. Okay. This is pretty. This view right here is really pretty.
Of the cow? But? I don't want this secret room. It looks bad in my room.
Well, it doesn't look bad in my room because it's just like a closet door then until you open it. Okay, our lawn is officially grass now. I'm so happy. We need to add some flowers to it. Let's put some like dandelions.
Oops. It's so quiet right now. What the heck? Sorry guys if it was like really quiet for a second.
Yeah, it was just like a blank moment.
We're probably gonna edit that out.
Nope, we're not.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna break the footage.
Again, Lily's a noob. I was going to call you Maria again. Jeez, we don't need to start that all over. Instead, we just go Mars candy bars and candy.
Yeah.
So if I call her Mars, don't judge me.
I'm a planet. Don't judge me. My room looks so derpy. Oh my god.
Our yard looks amazing.
No, my little. Oh god, I hate that. No.
What? You hate your yard?
No. My area. I did this. Okay, let's fix that.
I need more Denny lines.
I'm putting in another furnace out here. Because, like, we don't have enough furnaces out here.
Yeah, can you get off the pressure plate? You're on top of the pressure plate. Thank you.
Wait, Candy.
What? Mars, what? Why are you in my room? Why? No, I got a golden axe right here.
Hey!
That's what you get. Get out of my room. Nope, you're out.
Oh my gosh.
Get out of my room.
Oh, you stole my wheat and stuff.
No, I don't even have any.
Give me them so I can start farming.
I don't have anything that deals with wheat.
Well, can I? Wait, we're just gonna take the wheat out of the chest.
The wheat's not in the. You just put the wheat in the chest. I never put it.
Oh,
in
that
the
was
chest.
mine.
Yeah. Get out of here.
I'm gonna start the first. I need to make a
By the way, you need a hoe.
I'm making a hoe. Because you're out of hose.
Lily, you're so retarded sometimes.
No, I'm very smart.
Sure. Ooh, look at all the stars. I'm just gonna look up. Bend over.
Mr. Bendova.
I don't know, we're watching Loud House for some odd unknown reason.
I actually never watch it. We just put it on.
Yeah, we're just listening to it while we're making Minecraft
Do you have
videos.
torches?
For a second, I thought you were going to say, do you torture people? I'm like, what? No.
Yeah,
Maybe.
Yes, you
I
do to
think
me.
not. Sorry, I lied.
You do to me.
I'm sleeping. Go to bed. Go to bed. You know what? Guys, I'm going to have to tell you something really, really important. One sec, I need to get this all ready. All ready. Lily, I need you to come here.
Am I in trouble?
Yes, you're in lots and lots of trouble. You know why?
Why?
Because you're Lily. Lily, come here. You're in lots of trouble. I need to talk to you for a second. Face, like, be right next to me. Be right next to, go next to me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's time for us to leave. Well, it's time for you to leave. So, let's just say our byes. Lily, shut up. Did you just hit me? You just hit me.
Yeah, I did.
Yep, I banned you from this game. No, I didn't. But
If you did, I would kill you.
I want to hit her real quick. Why can't I hit you? Okay, there you go. But bye guys. See you next video.
Bye.